Hey, Icy Elites, let's make a gentle, natural cough syrup using herbs that actually support your lungs. And we're going to start with marshmallow root. It helps coat and calm the throat, and mullein helps soothe irritation and support clear breathing. We're going to start with 2 cups of water, bring it to a boil, and add 1 tablespoon of each herb. And we're going to turn it down, let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you're going to strain the herbs, and then you're going to stir in the raw honey while it's still a little warm. And that's it, a simple, natural cough syrup. If you love herbal wellness and DIY remedies, save, share, and follow for more healing recipes. Enjoy!